So in regards to that DWG work mode, as was suggested, to apply that, you simply need to go in and set this variable MS work mode, set it equal to DWG. By default, that is set to DGN, but you have the option. The thing to keep in mind when working between DGNs and DWG file is to, if you can, know in advance which format will be your final format. And as we've stated in our previous answer hour session for DWG, we don't recommend going back and forth between the two formats, but in some instances, due to the nature of your work, you may not be able to do that. But if you know the final outcome, it's best to set the MS work mode accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.